What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're working Wayne checking back in. Right, it's a 2018 Toyota RAV4, 2018. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this trim panel, this glass, and the fixed glass. Okay, guys, please bear with me. I'm gonna be a little bit slow with my movement because I messed up my back. I'm not even supposed to be here at work, but I still came to work anyways. All right, but with that said, guys, get yourself a flathead screwdriver. Guys, see this painted piece right here? Gotta take the piece from off of there. Just use the flathead, right? You're gonna stuck it right between the groove, just like that. See that? Pull it out. Comes right out. Take that piece off. The reason why we take that piece off is a screw in there and another screw inside there. Those screws are Phillips. Go ahead and take the two screws from out of there. There you go, guys. That's two screws, Phillips. Now, use that same flathead. You're gonna pry this piece up. Just put it same place. Find yourself a groove and pry it up. Take it out. Unplug it, take it out. Open this handle piece and take the piece from out of there as well. Take that piece out of there. There's another Phillip inside there, guys. One. That's the Phillip. Go ahead and take it out. Now, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna okay. Shit hurts. It hurts. The flathead screwdriver right between the groove, just like that. And you're gonna pry it open. Just like that, and put your hand between it and grab it. Pull it out. Just like that. Okay. Now we got it loose, we're gonna go up with it. Alright, gonna leave a piece on there. That's how you take out the trim panel, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the handle next. And then the last thing I will show you how to take out the glass and the fixed glass. We're gonna do the handle next. Okay, guys, now we're gonna take out the handle. You guys see those three screws? We gotta take those three screws from there because the lock, we gotta drop the lock. We gotta move the lock out the way to get to the screw to loosen the handle. See this wire right here? Go ahead and take that loose. Them three screws right there, guys, those are a star tip, T30. T30 star tip. We're gonna take those from there. You're gonna turn them to the left. All right, now we got those three screws. Remove, go ahead. Go ahead and this piece right here is push it down inside the door, just like that. Let it rest right there. Now, there's a screw inside of here that's holding this piece because we have to move this piece first to get this piece out, handle out. So I'm gonna show you what the screw look like, all right? Okay guys, this is a screw that I want to show you guys. You guys see that screw right there? Go ahead and take the screw from there. You're going to turn that screw to the left. That is also a T30, guys. That screw is also a T30. And next thing, guys, I want you guys to pay attention. Go ahead and pull this plastic right here. Go ahead and pull this plastic down. I want to show you guys something. Once you guys ready to put back the lock, you guys see that V shape right there, that V shape? Please make sure the lock goes back directly between it, or else the door will not open. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get some lights up inside this door. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This is the lock itself right here, guys. This is the lock right here. Hold on. I'm sorry guys, but it's the only way we gotta do it. Try and show you guys. You guys see that piece right there? That piece, that shiny piece? That piece is connected to the lock. When you guys go to put the lock back up in the right position, make sure it goes right between that groove of that that brown thing. Make sure that shiny piece right there goes right between that groove, and then you're gonna put back the screws in the lock, and then the door will be able to open again. That's so you can get the door to open back up. Hey guys, come on, man. Alright, that's a T30, guys. T30. You're gonna take the screw out, turn it to the left. Turn to the left. See? Turn to the left. Now that it's loose, use the flathead screwdriver, and you're going to stick it right between the groove and take it out. Ooh. As it comes out. Now, go ahead and grab the handle and pull it backwards. Just like that, it comes out. That's how you take out the handle, guys. Put it backwards. When you guys go to put the handle back, slide it in, hold it straight in, slide it back in. Door open, okay? Pull it out, comes out. Now, we're going to take out this glass and this glass. But first thing first, you got to take this plastic off of there, okay guys? You got to take this plastic off of there. Alright, get that piece off of there. This piece, go ahead and plug it back in. You're going to drop the glass down. This glass don't have no screws in it. There are no screws in it. So you're going to drop it down all the way. Leave it there. Now, you're going to take that screw from right there and the next screw on top of there. So go ahead, take that screw from there. That's number 10, by the way. Take that one from there. This rubber, move this rubber out the way. Reason why, there's a screw right there. That's the Phillip, you can't miss it. Right on top. That's what it is. It's a small Phillip. Take it out of there. Now, this rubber right here, grab this rubber and take it out. Go up with it. Take it out. Not all the way. It's up to you. Now, you're going to grab this piece right here because it's already loose. Take it out. Take that piece out. Then go in and grab this one. Slide it out of there. Just like that. That's how you take that glass out. Come right out. Now, the glass, all you gotta do with the glass, just slide it out. Go down there. Slide it out. It slides right off the channel. Oh my God. That's it. That's how you took out the glass, guys. It's coming right out. Okay? When you guys go to put the glass back, put the glass first, the fixed glass, and then the iron piece. That's how you do that. I will see you guys on the next video. I'm gonna go home and rest my back.